wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Bluetooth receivers for cars. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Carrep dongle plugs into a USB socket in your vehicle for a quick and easy connection. Its qualities include low latency transmission and noise reduction technology to improve your phone calls and overall listening experience. It's Bluetooth 5 compatible with a range of up to 33 feet, however it's not as feature-rich as some. At number 9, the compact mpow BH129 is an ideal solution for those whose vehicle has a 3.5mm input jack but no wireless connectivity. It features ergonomic switches for power, track selection and volume. It includes a microphone for hands-free calling and can work with 2 devices at the same time, but note that it runs on battery only. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the nulaxy KM19 is a versatile model with 4 input options, including microSD, USB drive, auxiliary cable, and Bluetooth. It also has a 2.1-volt output for charging devices and a display to monitor calls, track listings, and connection status. It provides hands-free functionality and a hinge that swivels 120 degrees. However, it can distort via the FM receiver. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bluetooth receivers for cars, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the ziidoo audio adapter allows you to switch between transmitter mode to send a signal to devices like headphones and receiver mode. For the latter, you simply plug it into a vehicle's auxiliary socket to receive the wireless data being transmitted from a phone. It features low latency transmission and is suitable for home and vehicle use, but it can't run off a main supply. Moving up our list to number 6. With the imden car kit FM transmitter, you have the choice of playing music files from a connected flash drive, or you can cast from your phone using Bluetooth. One of its 2 ports supports USB 3 for fast charging, and it has a clear digital display. It's equipped with power surge protection and noise suppression technology. However, the instructions are not clear. Halfway up our list at number 5, the nulaxy KM29 has a 1.8-inch TFT color display that sits on a gooseneck, making it easy to position. The screen announces incoming calls, which are relayed to the car's speakers. It's equipped with a large and clear interface and offers a fast charging capability, but note that the equalizer won't work with Bluetooth. At number 4, the victsing BH346A has an auto search feature that identifies unused frequencies and connects automatically. It also includes an auxiliary output for a wired connection to a car stereo, a 5 preset equalizer, and 3 USB ports. It offers an adjustable gooseneck attachment, a large color screen, and 4 ways to connect. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with its sleek lines and compact profile, the Anker SoundSync A3352 is inconspicuous when plugged into a car's console. It can communicate with up to 2 devices and is also useful for connecting headphones to home stereo systems with its wireless streaming. It boasts hands-free functionality and up to 12 hours of battery life, and it comes with a power cable and adapter. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bluetooth receivers for cars, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, those looking for a more permanent fixture for their vehicle might consider the Kinivo BTC450, which attaches to the center console and links to the auxiliary input of your car's stereo. It has a single multifunction button that controls phone calls and music playback. It features dual charging ports and a simple installation, and it's compatible with Apple Siri. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Anker roav T2 connects wirelessly to unused FM frequencies, keeping a console free of messy cables, and has an uncomplicated design. It includes both USB 3 and C outlets for high-speed charging and transmits conversations in high-definition audio. It offers automatic tuning, noise-cancelling technology, and easy in-car phone calls. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bluetooth receivers for cars, or simply click beneath this video.